In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the app NA2 HubSpot.com platform to create and customize your sales dashboard efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading to the trial guide on the HubSpot website. This online guide is designed to take you through the initial setup and familiarize you with the layout and tools available on the platform. Simply follow the link provided, and it'll direct you straight to the trial guide page where our journey really begins. Now, once you're on the trial guide page, look for the search bar labeled Dashboard. Click into it and type in Dashboard. This step is significant as it opens up a universe of monitoring and reporting tools that HubSpot offers, all consolidated in an easy-to-navigate dashboard format. After typing Dashboard, the next logical move is to click on the option labeled Dashboard that appears in the search results. Doing this will redirect you to a comprehensive hub where all your sales data and important metrics can be visualized in one place. The next phase takes you to the Sales section. Here, click on Sales to gain access to specific functionalities tailored for tracking and optimizing sales performance. Entering this section allows you to see sales trends, forecast future opportunities, and better understand your sales pipeline. In this area, you will see a variety of dashboard templates tailored for specific reporting needs. Click on Sales Dashboard Template to explore pre-made setups that capture essential sales metrics. Using a template can be a time saver, providing a structured starting point for your data visualization needs. Once you've selected a template, find and click on the section titled Who Would Find This Dashboard Helpful? This step is particularly useful if you're sharing this dashboard with a team. It allows you to align the content with the needs and interests of different stakeholders in your organization. Afterward, direct your attention to the section called Reports Included in this dashboard. Clicking on this section provides you with a detailed overview of the key reports integrated into your dashboard. Here you can tailor what specific data is presented to support decision-making processes effectively. With all that said, hit the Next button, which advances you through this setup process. This step is crucial as it progresses you further, leading to the final customization steps for your dashboard setup. Toward the end of this process, you'll come across the Dashboard Name field. Click to customize and rename the dashboard as needed. Giving it a thoughtful name helps maintain an organized view when managing multiple dashboards. Finally, finalize your setup by clicking on Who can access this dashboard. Define the permissions and access levels for team members or stakeholders. The ability to control who can view or edit the dashboard ensures that only the appropriate individuals engage with the content. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through HubSpot's platform to set up and customize your sales dashboard. Following these steps not only enhances your capacity to manage data, but also equips your team with the insights needed to drive meaningful business outcomes. Thanks for watching, and dive into your HubSpot dashboards with newfound confidence.